To start, hop into the Strategy tab and add things like the company vision, mission, manifesto, big goals, and unfair advantages. From there, you can workshop each category with anyone you invite. Not sure where to start? Use Frictionless's AI to help you generate some ideas, all of which you can either share or keep private. Click the Intelligence tab to discover buyer personas, ideal customer profiles, and direct competitors. Need targeted personas? Just plug in a personal title and click Research Factors. Frictionless will generate insights along with relevant pain points, buying factors, motivations, responsibilities, and influencers. You can even ask the AI to simulate a conversation between you and the persona. This way, you can prep for questions and objections before a real call. When it comes to brand strategy, Frictionless can help you craft valuable propositions, brand voice, positioning, and identity. Plus, your entire team can workshop every aspect of the brand voice, including the persona, tone, language, and purpose. Same goes for value propositions. Once you understand the customer personas, you can rank all your value props. Even better, you can compare value prop rankings against your competitors using Frictionless's AI insights. This platform can also help you develop targeted content like social posts and blog posts. From concepting to briefing and outlining, Frictionless will populate the content builder with ideas and solutions for you.